Hey guys, what's up? It's Kahoob here. So I'm going to be reviewing the new Fold spin wheel that came out, the base rate plus wheel. So I'm going to be reviewing it as if you're going to get the spin plus tier card or not, right? The black card. Is it worth it or is it not? As Fold, let's go to it right now, charges, I think, $150 a year. Yeah, spin plus is $150 annual fee. I did see on Twitter they said something about possibly changing the annual fee. They said they said tell someone to stay tuned about the annual fee on the Fold card. Not too sure what that means, if it's just gonna be temporarily lowered or something, but that was kind of weird, and we'll see what happens with the annual fee. I think the annual fee is not too bad, but it really depends on the spin wheels, and also depends on what the Fold credit card will look like, and some other things as well, depending on your spending and all that. Anyways, let's go to the base rate plus wheel. Is this wheel worth it for you to get the spin plus tier card? All right, so that's my first time looking at it. Let's look, and yeah, the card is not worth it. As you can see, spin tier and spin plus tier, every reward is shared other than 25% and 100% back. All these below are shared, and the Womp Womp and the one whole Bitcoin are shared equally, even with the odds and the prize. All right. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more future content like this, and I'll see you guys later in my next video. Nah, I'm just kidding. But, no, this card really, or this, these odds and prizes really do suck for the spin plus tier. If I saw this spin wheel right now and I was new to Fold and this is what I saw and I saw this, I'd be like, yeah, no, I'm not getting the spin plus card. They're literally all the same other than a 0.01% chance to get either 25% back or 100% back. That's not worth $150. And it's up to $50, so you have to at least do it on $50 transactions and land on it at least twice, or no, 50. Why am I so bad at math? 3 times to even get your reward back. But no, the spin plus tier card kind of has been worth it for certain people, especially depending on your Amazon spending and just how much you spend in general, and if you shop at the places that they offer gift cards for as well. But yeah, I actually personally do like this wheel. I just don't like that the odds are equal for the spin plus tier and the spin tier. Because then, I mean, it's good for the spin tier. If you're the intro, like the spin tier, this like this wheel right here is amazing for you, right? But for the spin plus tier, if you feel like you're getting screwed, it feels like your card's not as valuable, and it feels like the spin tier is like higher valued right now. And I do like, though, that you at least get 1% back. If you land on the Womp Womp, then you get 1% back, and that's like a 30% chance. But anything else above here is an extra percent. So it's basically 1% plus whatever you land on. If you get like the 100% back or 2%, 1.5, 1%, all that. But as you can see, the odds right here are very low on each one. Even to get 2% back, 0.10%, 1.5, 2%. But remember, this is on top of your 1% floor. So to get 1.5% cash back, you'd have an 8% chance to get that. To get 2% back in total, you'd have a 4% chance to get that. And to get 2.5, right? Yeah, 2.5% chance, it'd be 2%. And to get a 3% back, it's a 0.10% chance to get that. So it's just, I don't know. It's just, you can use the Crypto.com debit card, the Jade Indigo that I personally have, and I can get 3% back on everything. So why go for a 0.10% chance? But the one nice thing, though, is 1% still pretty good, especially in paid in Bitcoin, and you don't have to worry about converting it to any other cryptocurrencies and stuff. And another thing is you have a chance to win one whole Bitcoin, so that's pretty cool as well. Compared to other debit cards or crypto debit cards, they just do not have that. You definitely do not have a chance to win a whole Bitcoin. I've had the Fold card since basically almost its creation, and I've never won one whole Bitcoin. Then again, I haven't been constantly using the card not even every week. I don't even use the card weekly, so that kind of says something too. I don't use it too often. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. I do like this wheel, though. Not gonna lie, I don't know why. I just do. But I can see it why it's not worth it for spin plus tier card as of right now, because it's literally the same odds basically as the spin tier. All right, well, yeah, I guess that's basically it for this video then. So hope you guys enjoyed it for real, and let me know down in the comment section below what you guys think about this current spin wheel, or what do you think about Fold in general. Do you think their wheels are getting worse and worse, or better and better? Are you bullish on them in the long term? You think they're gonna, get more mass adoption and everything, or you think they're gonna end up failing, or what? All right, yeah. Subscribe for more future content like this, and I'll see you guys later in my next video.